Previously, I forgot to record. Why is it?
Dari ni. Sampah, buang sampah. Kamis, Kamis. Dah lah, Kamis dah. Dia nak sampah tadi. Jadi buang sampah. Sebelum pukul 12 saya pun nak siap tadi.
Okay, the following is a promotional. Can I proceed? Okay. Okay, the following is a promotional leaflet offered by Syarikat Zam. Tawaran hebat, great deals. Okay. Refrigerator, cash 1,500 and installment for 80 ringgit, 24 months. Okay, so we are going to calculate the amount of interest paid and the interest rate charged by installment payment. If you look there, installment payment is going to be 80 ringgit for 24 months. If we are going to find the amount of interest first, we are going to find the amount of interest paid, which means 80 times by 24 months there. So by using your calculator straight away, we are going to have for installment amount of installment. Alamak, so big. Amount of installment you are going to get 80 times with 24. 1,920. Now the question saying that we are going to find the interest rate charged by installment payment. Okay, the price is going to be 1,500. We have to pay, if we pay installment, it's going to be 1,920. Means that the extra one is going to be what? Our interest. Okay, so 1,920 you are going to minus with 1,500. That's going to be our interest. Okay, interest that we are going to pay over here is going to be 420. Okay, so if we are going to know the interest rate, how did we want to find the interest rate? We are going to have 420. Alamak, besarnya. 420 here divided by, is it going to be our amount here or the original amount? Yes, the original price here. So the interest rate we are going to have over here 420 divided by 1,500. Okay, we know that interest is going to be in percentage. That's why we are going to times by 100%. By using your calculator, please find for me 20, 28%. Okay, so you are going to get 28%. Okay. Next, B. Okay, if you want to buy a fridge, what is your payment option? Okay, it's going to be depends lah. Supposedly depends. If you have cash, proceed with cash. If you don't have cash, so means that you have to pay extra what? Extra 400 and credit card. 420 there. Okay, so over here we are going to prefer cash. Okay, we are going to prefer cash. Why? Because this one explain your answer. No need to pay. No need to pay the interest. So if you don't have cash, what to do? You have to pay lah. Okay. Next, number 9. Okay, Mr. Hafiz saved 20,000 in a bank at the end of the second year. The sum accumulated amounted to 22,050 ringgit. From 50 ringgit, 50 ringgit pula. From 20,000 become 22,050 ringgit. Means that, how many extra there? 2,050, isn't it? Okay. If the bank pays an annual interest of X percent, means that we are going to find X lah here, for a year, and is compounded once every 12 months. So what you have over here, compounded. So it means that we are going to find our interest for our X there. So, what is the formula you have over here? The given for principal is going to be 20,000 or 22,000? 20,000 is going to be our principal. Means that 22,000 here will be our matched value, MV. Okay. So if you look over here, by using our formula of where is the formula? Where is it? Where is it? Page what? Page what? What page? What page did our okay, page 29. You can look at page 29. Okay, our formula given for our compound interest, matched value equals to P times with 1 plus R over N times with NT. So it means that we have matched value, we have our principal, rate is going to be our X, isn't it? How about our N? Where is our N? N is X, and this one is going to be our R. X is R. Compounded once every 12 months. So 12 divided by 12 means that our N will be? Yes, your answer will be 1 here. So your N is going to be 1. How did I got 1? 12 divided by 12 because compounded once every 12 months. Okay. Time. T. Where is our T? 12 months? Are you sure 12 months? If you look over there, we are going to have second here. So means that it's going to be T equals to 2, isn't it? So just substitute into our formula here. Matched value 22,050 ringgit equals to principal 20,000 times with 1 plus with rate over here. We didn't know. Just put Allah. You are going to put R here over N is going to be 1 times with N times T means that 1 times 2. Straight away you are going to write 2 lah. Or you want to write 1 times 2 also, no problem. Okay. Okay, so what happened here? What should I do here? I'm gonna bring what first? 20,000 bring to the left side means that its times become divide. So we are going to have on the left side over here 22,050 ringgit divided by 20,000 equals to, okay, 1 plus R over 1. Over there, we cannot solve. R over 1 is going to be R lah, right? 1 plus R lah. Okay, so we have square there. If I bring to the left side, square root. You are going to get square root for the answer here. Okay, so on the right side here, I'm going to get 1 plus R only. So please find for me 22,050 divided by 20,000. Press equal, then you are going to press square root of the answer. 1.05. Did everybody got the answer there? Okay, this one is going to be 1 plus R. So because we are going to find our rate over here, what happened to our 1 here? Yes, minus our R here, you are going to get 0.05. Because we are going to get percentage, means that times by 100, my rate over here will be 5%. Can girls? Okay, for number 9. Okay, for our number 10. Can I proceed? Okay. For number 10 over here, Miss Haryati. Borrow RMX. Of course, we are going to find X here. Okay. With interest rate of 4% per annum from Bank Maju Jaya. The repayment period is 8 years. Okay, we have already our 8 years over here. Interest rate, just now we have 4%. Okay, if the monthly installment paid is 275 ringgit. Okay, monthly installment here. 275. What is the amount borrowed by Miss Haryati? Means that we are going to find our X lah here. Okay, the amount borrowed by Miss Hayati here is going to be our X. So 1 month you are going to pay for 275 ringgit, isn't it? So you are going to pay how many months? 12 times 8, isn't it? So we are going to find for the month first. So big. Oh, okay. So we are going to have our month here, 12 times 8. How do I know 8? We have 8 years, isn't it? Yes. So I got 96 months first. After I get 96 months here, our monthly installment is 275. So can I find the amount that she have to pay? So means that the amount that she have to pay over here, we are going to have 275 ringgit times with 96 months. How much did we have? 26,400 is going to be our what? It's going to be what? The amount that we are going to pay over here. Okay. The one is going to be the total. Okay. Total amount. Okay. So over here we know that it doesn't state that it's going to be what? It's going to be what? Compounded. Is it compounded? No. So it's going to be what? Simple interest, isn't it? So simple interest is going to be what? PRT. Did we know the principal? Yes. X. Isn't it? The principal is going to be our X here. Okay. Our rate. We got already, which is 4%. I equals to PR and we have our T already. 8 years. Not 96 months. 96 months is monthly. I want to find the total amount just now. We are not going to use 96 as our time here to find our interest. Okay. So by using the formula of simple interest equals to PRT. So we are going to have over here, I didn't have my principal, but we have what? X times with our rate just now is 4%. Times with our time here is going to be 8. Okay. So it's going to be to our what? Our what? Our amount of interest. Okay. Amount of interest is going to be in our total amount also. Can you understand? Inside here, inside 26,400, is going to be our principal plus with our interest. Can you understand? Girls?
Cikgu kepala dia besar. Tak nampak. Tak nampak. Dia macam ni saya tiba tunjuk.
26,400 tu bukan X, no. It's gonna be the principal plus, yeah. Okay, betul. Okay, we know that the principal just now is gonna be our X, isn't it? So it means that this one is gonna be X plus with our interest here. Faham tak? Tak. Okay. This one, total amount over here, this one is going to be include the interest and also the principal. Simple interest is going to be PRT, but we didn't know our principal over here. The principal we know is going to be X lah, obviously, right? So X times 4 over 100 times with 8. We know that the total amount that we are going to pay over here is going to be 26,400. Is going to be principal plus with our interest. Interest just now everything here, isn't it? So I'm going to take my I equals to everything here. Substitute input I here. So I'm going to have my equation. Okay. I'm going to substitute. Everyone just staring me. Okay. So what I'm going to have over here, 26,400 equals to P plus I, isn't it? Means we have X plus I. Am I right? So I just write X plus the interest that we have already just now from simple interest, which is X times 4 over 100 times 8. Can you understand? So I just substitute this one, everything here in our interest here. Okay. So I'm gonna have over here again X times by 4 over 100 times by 8. Can you understand? If I just write like this, I'm sure you are going to say, why did X plus X? This total here is going to be our what? Interest. Okay, so what should I do here? Can we simplify 4 over 100 times 8 there first? What do you get? 4 over 100, 0.04 times 8, 0.32. 0.32. Okay, so 0.32. Okay, please, do not X plus X first, Do not put, I know, that's why I put bracket there. Do not solve X plus X first. Why? Both must. What first?
Multiplication first.
Multiplication first.
Both must. Go bracket.
Bracket. There, bracket. Okay. What I'm saying here, plus with times. We must times first, isn't it? So, inside the bracket, we have what? 0.4. This one, everything you have just now, everything here is going to be 0.32, kan? So, times with X, I'm going to get over here 0.32X, isn't it? So, I'm going to get over here X plus with 0.32X. Can you understand? Okay. Okay. So, what does it mean by X plus with 0.32? What does it mean by X plus 0.32X? If you are saying 0.32X square, then why? In front here what? 1 plus 0.32? 1.32x. Why so complicated? So this one you are going to get 22,400, isn't it? Just now also here also the same lah. So what you are going to find here? Your x. What happened to 1.32? Yes, that's it. So you have already your x value. X gonna be 26,400 divided by 1.32. What do you get? 20,000. Finish. Is that 20,000 is gonna be what? Principal. Wow. Complicated. Okay, stop this one first.